Moments ago, there was a shooting on board the train. Pacific
Hey! Hey! Come in, Team E. Verify that Makima's dead.
Team C hasn't been in contact since about...
Bitch!
Shuzo Mishima. Say that aloud.
Shuzo Mishima.
Now! Come on, get the lead out and move!
Takashi Inoue. Say that name.
Takashi Inoue.
Somebody! Damn it! Help me!
I think it stopped.
I've done everything within my power from Kyoto.
God damn it. I thought they put a bullet through her head.
You too. You're with them, the shooters.
Shit! Die inside the van!
Apologizing for attempted murder. That's hilarious. This is bad. I'm losing it.